Hey guys, you're welcome once more to NETH. If you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Do also subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students out there. Alright, so today we have this simple problem on surd. The question here already shows us that the question says we should simplify root 3 plus root 48 divided by root 6. Now, this root 6 already shows us that it means we are going to rationalize the surd. Alright, but what about the 48? It means we want to also, the 48 is, a larger number, so we have to actually look for, a perfect square in it. And I think since we have 3 here, we want to express, the two numbers in terms of 3, alright? So we're going to have this as root 3 plus, so for 48, what two numbers will multiply to give 48 such that one of them is 3? Okay, we have is 16. Okay, 16 times 3 is 48, so we are still in order. Divided by what? Root 6. Alright, so this we can write as what? Root 3 plus, okay, we can use the principle of sort to break this, so this will be root 16 multiplied by what? Root 3 divided by what? Root 6. Alright, so since this is a perfect square, we can find the root of that. So that will give us, we have our root 3 plus square root of 16 is 4. So we have 4 multiplied by root 3 divided by what? Our root 6. So this will further give us, okay, now this can add, okay, since, this is the same with this, okay. So we apply the simple principle of sort. Now we have 1 here. So 1 plus 4, okay, so we have 1 plus 4, okay, root 3 divided by what? Root 6. So 1 plus 4 is 5, root what? 3 divided by what? Root 6. So at this point, we can now what? Rationalize. And when you have something like this, all you want to do is you want to multiply both the numerator and denominator by this. So I have root 6 here and root 6 at the numerator. So if we multiply that, what will that give us? So we are simply going to have, alright, now we can merge these two, so we have our 5. Okay, so we have root 3 times 6 divided by, now this multiply by this is going to give us 6 at the denominator, so this is going to be 5 root what? 18 divided by what? 6. Now our root 18, we want to also see if we have a perfect square inside. And of course, yes, I can see that 18, we can express it in terms of what? 9 times what? 2. Such that we can see that 9 is what? A perfect what? Square. So now that we have 9 there, we can as well break it again, applying the principle of sort. So I have 5 multiplied by what? Root 9 multiplied by root 2, okay, divided by what? 6. So this is going to give us, we have 5 multiplied. Now the square root of 9 is 3, so we have 3 there multiplied by what? Root 2, this is divided by what? 6. Okay, the point means what? Multiplication. So now this can cancel out this, which is 2 times. Alright, so we have 5 times 1 is 5. So we have 5 root 2 divided by what? 2. So this is our answer to this simplification of sort. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you want to share this video to someone out there. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.